Dear students, staff, principal and management of Kendriya Vidyalaya Karaikudi, I am feeling extremely honored and happy to speak to you on the occasion of the National Sports Day 2020 organized by your Vidyalaya. The National Day Sports Day 2020 is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all time. I am happy to relive my past in Kendriya Vidyalaya Karaikudi as a physical education teacher for more than 23 years, and I cherish the memories of speaking to children like you on so many occasions. Now I am heading the Department of Physical Education Sports in the Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, which is deemed to be university at Chennai, as a head of the department. Now, students' life is a hectic life, yet people go through all kinds of struggles during this time. As a student, the most important thing to remember is that laziness is your worst enemy and hard work is your best friend. Listen to the voice inside you that is tormenting you to come out and excel. That is what you have to really follow. Maybe singing, dancing, playing, running, etc. Do not focus on what you cannot do. Take a look at what you are capable of. You will feel confident and learn new things along your way. Every human being is destined to move from conception to death. The movement makes us fit. That fitness lead to competitions. You may reach the summit in the competitions where the crowd is very less, but the competition is more. So, participate in all activities in sports and you will be spotted and identified for your special talent. You will reach the top if you keep the passion all along. Playing is your fundamental right for enjoyment. No one can stop you from playing. At the same time, try to find a balance between your playing and academics. So much of research have been done on the connection between playing and academic achievement, and all the studies have concluded that best players will be best in academics. It is important that you use as much of your intelligence in any game as you use in solving problems in mathematics or science. Both the activities demand the same quantity and quality of intelligence. The true power and valuable lessons that sports can provide are discipline, teamwork, sacrifice, sportsmanship, winning and losing graciously, achieving goals. If you want to become a cricketer like Sachin, hockey wizard like Dhyan Chand, footballer like Pele, what you have to do is to work hard to achieve the status. Keep your dreams alive. Understand to achieve anything that requires faith and belief in yourself, vision, hard work, determination, and dedication. Remember, all things are possible for those who believe. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failures. And success is no accident. It is a hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. If you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. Knowledge is power, information is liberating. Education is the premise of the progress in every society, in every family. So, I thank you for listening, and I hope you will remember to be fit and healthy. I wish you all the best of luck on this special occasion of the National Sports Day 2020. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.